Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you that how you can use LifterLMS advanced video settings for your YouTube videos. So here I have lessons where I have added YouTube videos, and in this tutorial, I will show you all the details about LifterLMS advanced video settings for YouTube videos. So first we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit courses and courses. Here we have to select a specific course where we want to add the video. So I'm selecting this course. And then we have to launch the course builder for a specific course. So here is our course builder, and we will choose a specific lesson where we want to add our video. So I'm selecting this lesson. Then we have to click on settings. And on the right side, we can see we have this video embed URL option. So here we have to add our video embed URL. So for that, first I will visit LifterLMS YouTube channel. I want to add a YouTube video from LifterLMS YouTube channel. So we have to choose a specific video. Then we have to click on three dots and share. And we have to copy the link. Now we have to paste the link on this here, and now we have to click on save changes. So now that YouTube video is visible in my lesson. So if I open this lesson, I can see here I have the YouTube video. And now we will add our LifterLMS advanced videos settings. So for that, first, we need LifterLMS Advanced Videos add-ons. As I am the Infinity Bundle user, so I already have LifterLMS Advanced Videos add-ons. Here you can see we have this Advanced Videos add-on, and it's already installed and activated. Then we have to click on LifterLMS Settings, then Integration. And here we have to enable the YouTube videos integration. We have to just check this box, and we have to click on save changes. So now we can apply the LifterLMS advanced video settings for our YouTube videos. So here is the video. Now we can see we have lots of control players. We can pause it. We can increase the volume. We have this settings option, YouTube tag, and lots of other options. We can also hide that with this disable controls option. So when you will enable this, only user will be able to pause and play the video. So as you can see, we have now lots of options, but if we enable that disable control option, user will only be able to play and pause the video. So you will check this box and we will click on save changes. And now if I open the video and refresh it, you can see I only can play and pause the video. I cannot skip the video. I cannot click on others options because all the options are now hidden. Also, we have another option, that is we have this disable the full screen button. You can see here we have this full screen option, but if you want to hide it, you can do that as well. You have to just check this disable full screen button and you have to click on save changes. Also, here we have this play pause button, which is red color. We can change the color as well. So here we have this color schema. Here by default it's red, but if you want to choose white, you can. So basically this play button color and the progress bar color is red. So with this color schema, you can change that color. So if we choose white, now the play button and the progress bar will be white. You can see this is white now. So I will prefer the red one. Also, we have this privacy enhanced mode. So now, as we have enabled the LifterLMS advanced video settings, we can hide this watch later, share, and info button as well. So if we revisit our course builder, we will see some new options as we have enabled the LifterLMS advanced videos add-on. So here you can see we have a couple of options here. You can control the video player from the builder as well, but we have did this on the backend. So I'm skipping this. So here we have this remove, watch later, and share option. We have to just click on enable and we have to save changes. And now if I revisit my lesson video, I will not be able to see that watch later, share, and info button. Here you can see. So you can hide this with the option. Now we can just play and pause the video. Also here we have require video completion options. So when you will click on enabled, only the user will be able to mark the lesson complete when they will watch the full video. That means you can force your student to watch the full video before they move to the next lesson. So this is how LifterLMS advanced videos work for YouTube videos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.